स्कूल सैल्यूट। School standards.
As our tricolor soars high in the azure sky, it reminds us of the colors of our saffron, the peace of our one.
और अब एक भारतीय होने की इसी गौरवमयी भावना उत्सव के रूप में मनाने के लिए हमारे विद्यार्थी हमारे देश की महिमा का गुणगान करते हुए एक मधुर एवं भाव लेकर आ रहे हैं, जिसके स्वर हैं हम सब भारतीय हैं।
वो फोटो ब्लर आती है।
हम सब दिल में भारत प्राण तिरंगा, यही हमारी याद, तिरंगा सदा लहराए, यही सबका अरमान, एक तिरंगा एक धड़कन, एक हमारा भारत हमारे तिरंगा, यही हमारी याद। सूरज की किरणों में जागे देश महान, माँ की ममता से महके अपना हिंदुस्तान, की हर सांस में बसता अपना भारत महान। एक तिरंगा एक ही धड़कन एक हमारा मान, दिल में भारत प्राण तिरंगा, यही हमारी याद है। ओ ओ ओ ओ
लक्ष्य
एक उज्जवल अभियान आगे बढ़ते जाए जय जय हिंदुस्तान।
हम सब भारतीय
हम सब भारतीय
भारती के अमर सपूत
हम सब भारतीय
दिल में भारत प्राण
यही हमारी आन।
सदा लहराए
यही सब कारवां।
एक तिरंगा
एक तिरंगा
एक धड़कन
एक धड़कन एक हमारा मान। ये अमर करे जय जय हिंदुस्तान।
मनमोहक प्रस्तुति। इस मधुर गायन ने पूरे वातावरण को देशभक्ति के जोश से भर दिया। हर स्वर में भारत के प्रति प्रेम और गर्व साफ झलक रहा था।
Celebrating the land blessed with the righteousness of Lord Rama and the teachings of Lord Buddha, Mahavir and Guru Nanak. This is a tribute to our sacred motherland, a land of divine wisdom and ultimate grace. From time immemorial, this virtuous soil has given birth to avatars and saints who have guided humanity from darkness to light. To honor this timeless spiritual legacy, we proudly present Bharat Bhumi, Mera Saubhagya.
गंगा की लहर गाती है, हिमगिरी का मस्तक अमर हुआ। मेरा भारत प्यारा भारत वीरों के लहू से प्रखर हुआ। सौभाग्य है मेरा जो इस पुण्य धरा पर जन्म मिला। इस माटी से ही मानवता को शुभ कर्मों का धर्म मिला। श्री राम से सहज जीवन का मर्यादा का धर्म मिला। श्री कृष्ण से कर्म योग का चलता हुआ हवन मिला। बुद्ध और महावीर दे गए शांति का अमर संदेश यहाँ। गुरु नानक और दशमेश का तप पावन है विशेष यहाँ। इन ऋषियों की साधना से भारत को दिव्यादर्श मिला। सौभाग्य है मेरा जो इस पुण्य धरा। सौभाग्य है मेरा जो इस पुण्य धरा पर जन्म मिला। पुण्य धरा सौभाग्य है मेरा जो इस पुण्य धरा पर जन्म मिला आज खड़े जो सरहद पर वे रक्षक दल बलवान हमारे सेवाव्रती डॉक्टर नेता राष्ट्र शिल्पी महान हमारे सच्चाई और ईमानदारी का जो थामे हुए ध्वज चलते हैं निज स्वार्थों को तज कर जो सेवा की आग में जलते हैं इन कर्मठ वीर सपूतों से देश को नया कर्ष मिला सौभाग्य है मेरा जो इस पुण्य धरा सौभाग्य है मेरा जो इस पुण्य धरा पर जन्म मिला गंगा की लहरें गाती हैं गिर गिर का मस्तक अमर हुआ मेरा भारत प्यारा भारत वीरों के लहू से प्रखर हुआ सौभाग्य है मेरा सौभाग्य है मेरा सौभाग्य है मेरा सौभाग्य है मेरा
है तो मैं हूँ तू ही मेरा वजूद है कि धड़के जो लहू में मौजूद है तू ही तो है पहचान मेरी तू ही है शान मेरी तू जो कहे तो तेरे लिए मैं छोड़ आऊं सभी भारत ओ भारत मेरे तू ही तो है मैं जाऊंगी भारत ओ भारत मेरे तू ही तो है मैं जाऊंगी तेरी सुगंध तेरी शान तेरी यादें तेरी ओ भारत ओ भारत मेरे तू ही तो है मैं जा मेरी भारत ओ भारत मेरे तू ही तो है मैं जाऊंगी भारत ओ भारत मेरे तू ही तो है मैं
Their synergy was indeed a blend of passion and patriotism.
Now I invite our house coordinator, Shastri sir, for the pledge. So I request everyone to join in and repeat after sir.
Everyone to get ready for the oath. I pledge to my motherland India that I will always respect its constitution, its national symbols, and its rich cultural heritage. I will honor the sacrifice of our freedom fighters and cherish the freedom they won for us. I pledge to be a responsible, honest, and compassionate citizen. I will respect every person, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, or language, and uphold the values of unity, equality, and fraternity. I will keep my surroundings clean, protect nature, use technology wisely, and contribute to the progress of my nation. I will strive for excellence in whatever I do. Stand against injustice and never misuse my freedom. I pledge to make myself worthy of a strong, progressive and prosperous India. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Now, I humbly request our respected Director Ma'am and Honorable Principal Ma'am to address the gathering.
Mataram students. So overwhelmed every time we celebrate Independence Day in this manner with all of you here together dressed in white, reflecting the purity of our land. Everything that I wanted to convey has mostly been conveyed through the pledge, so I hope that you will remember the pledge that you have taken today and try to follow it to the last word, because then only you will prove yourself to be a true Indian. At all times, children, you have to remember that you have inherited a country which is so beautiful. There is a lot of beauty in the other countries also, but the beauty that is there in our country surpasses all other countries because it is blessed with all kinds of beauty, perennial rivers, seas, oceans, lovely mountains, verdant valleys, what not. The beauty of the spiritual values, the moral values, the beauty of the valor and courage of our freedom fighters that runs in our blood. We have to be conscious of that and make sure that we work hard to enhance this beauty. We do nothing ever that will in any way diminish or tarnish this beauty. The leaders who sacrificed for the nation, who struggled for the nation, who suffered tortures for the nation were not much older than you children, maybe just about your age. And just imagine what they did that time and what you are doing for your country. Don't think that I will work for my country when I grow up. Time is now, here and now, in this very school, in the very home that you are living, in the very family that you live with. Work has to begin today, not in the future. And how will that work begin? Of course, by making your presence in the classrooms most effective, by paying attention in the classrooms, by feeling fortunate to have got this opportunity to be inside a classroom where you are taught, where you have the books in your bags to study from. So you have to value these opportunities if you truly value your nation. So remember that, children, and make sure that you do your best. Just imagine how aware these young freedom fighters were about the state of their country at that time, and think about how well aware you are of the country that you are living in today. And also think about your own awareness about yourself. Right? So work on this. Without that, we will not be able to make the country great. I hope that this day, this celebration that we've had together will remain etched in our memories. Not just there in our minds, but also there in our actions. It must reflect in your actions, which will be dedicated, of course, to your own progress, to your own success, but they will also be dedicated to the progress of your nation. Jai Hind. All of you repeat with me. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Vande Mataram. आज की तरह when I was a student, so I was taught these famous lines and I remember them today as you stand thronging the galleries and what a sight to behold. वो पंक्तियाँ इस प्रकार हैं, जो भरा नहीं है भावों से, जो भरा नहीं है भावों से बहती जिसमें रसधार नहीं, वह हृदय नहीं है पत्थर है जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं. So why it is important to celebrate the victory that we have earned after countless sacrifices? Because freedom came to us at a very great cost. And what you should particularly note is that freedom was brought through majorly non-violence. In a system where the judicial system was not to the benefit of Indians, where nothing in place, as you call it as administration, favored the Indians, we were able to achieve that freedom. And if you look at this, everybody had their responsibility to do. There are so many unsung heroes whom we do not know. And they understood that they had to leave their family, even sacrifice, for earning the freedom of the nation. So this freedom that we enjoy today, that we can do whatever we want, we have equal opportunities, come, it caste, creed, whatever, that is nothing today. Why? Because we are a sovereign nation, we are free, and everybody is treated equal before law, which means we are all equal, irrespective of where we come from, whatever roots we are. Largely, what does that freedom mean for us? It means that sense of accountability should be paramount. So when we have got freedom, it is our responsibility to see that we preserve this freedom, and it has more meaning today. Why? Because there's technology, and sometimes we use technology not in the right spirit, but it is our responsibility to see that the opportunities that we have in the world today that are used with the utmost sense of responsibility. And we should fact check, we should understand, we should read in order to understand what our nation is. So it is my hope and wish while celebrating this Independence Day that we will go back to the roots that we have a little bit more. Try to sit with our elders, grandfather, grandmother, and ask them what freedom meant for them and how they have been living it. So, in our families, in our personal spaces, we have to take this independence and this freedom a step forward every single time. So, when you switch off the lights, when you do what you're supposed to do in the classroom, when you are responsible on the road, it's all freedom. So freedom doesn't mean that I will rashly drive a scooty on the roads. It means I have to behave responsibly. When I am going to a foreign country or I am representing my country, many of you will do, we have to be proud of our country and tell the world what the country has given us. It is giving back to our country, to our society in all means. Dr. Jaishankar Prasad, I believe in his comment, he has written a phrase which I don't remember now, but he says, freedom is not in a single moment, in a single day. Freedom is celebrated every time you stand for your country in whatever way you can. And with this thought, I will just wish you a very happy Independence Day. May we all be free, may we all be responsible, may we all celebrate more freedom in times to come in a responsible manner. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request the gathering to stand at attention for the national song.
लाइट वहाँ अंधेरा, इस साइड से भी लाइट।